Okay, moving on.
Yeah, we can move to our next feature. It's direct clicks, a fast lane to direct visits and top converting traffic. Consta, maybe you can explain us in like more easier words. What is that? How this works?
That's not easy words, so stay with me, guys. We've been gathering data for the last 10 and a half years as PropellerAds. Yes, we've been gathering artificial intelligence almost as much time as this.
That's true.
We are now ready to provide all this intelligence and information and give to you the top converting and performing sources through our ecosystem. Okay? How we do that? With a click. With the direct click. Yes, direct click, guys, is a new, let's call it ad format that gives you immediate access to the top converting and performing sources, and it looks and it acts like an on-click campaign,
Yes.
a pop-under campaign, but the convertibility of it, the conversion rates that we see there, we've never seen that before. So let's go basically have a look. Try to have a look on the self-service platform. Let's hope that this works with us. Yes, okay, technology is on our side right now. So, let me show you guys. Create campaign, right? We have to go to... Okay, we are losing the visuals. Alright, let me try to describe things verbally then, while you'll be trying to keep that alive.
I'm trying.
So, to create a direct click campaign, we have to go to the OnClick pop-under ad format, and then there is traffic type, and we have to choose direct click. Maybe the SSP is not going to help us now, but we can say verbally what we will do. So we prepared an example for you on just to see that the CPM will be higher for direct click, and it's more expensive traffic type.
Yeah.
But we will see later on the benefits of it.
Yeah, the benefits,
which
the
cover
profitability
it.
you can have, and how much bigger is the CR with the direct click campaigns.
So as long as it works, let's go CPM campaign, and let's show an example of VPN in the US, right?
Yes.
iOS. Okay. Guys, the offers that we are using as examples are the top converting offers on our ecosystem. So open your ears and get your pencil or pen, or I don't know what else to use. Maybe
Your
marker
smartphones.
or your smartphones and write down.
It's 21st century.
I am sorry, I'm trying really conservative. So iOS platform, mobile, iOS, and we said United States,
Yes.
right?
Let's go with United States.
And voila. It's the time to ask you this. Our platform gives suggested rates for all the ad formats when it comes to CPM and CPC campaigns. Okay, these numbers, these suggestions don't come from Mars. I would say,
from the sky,
or from the moon.
somewhere.
Yeah, they come from the statistics. So it's the recommendation of the algorithm towards you on what CPM or CPC rate you can use to get the appropriate is a nice word to describe, the appropriate amount of traffic for your test, right? Then, of course, it's all of our job to optimize and make this a profitable thing for you. So now here, today, I will underline that, we see that the CPM is 9.29.
But it changes. So you would see this if you would go to create campaign every day, for example.
Yesterday it was 7, I think, and the day before. It changes, but this is today. In any case, though, for direct click, even this is a really beautiful CPM. And maybe it's time to go show a case study to...
Yes, because now you will see why we suggest you to go with the suggested rate and why the direct click can be kind of expensive.
There will be a replay of the webinar, correct, marketing team? We have the thumbs up from the marketing team. They are here, by the way. You cannot see them. They are the silent, invisible. They are not silent anymore, but they're the invisible heroes. All right. What's happening here?
No presentation.
Okay.
We have, as always,
guys, we have one more tech issue.
Today is a day of tech issues, you know.
Let's call it that. Let's call it the tech issue day. All right. So.
Love it. Yeah. So this was also an example from one of our advertisers. Their offer was iGaming. Also, again, note please, iGaming also works really nice. Maybe they want to see us. Like the screen is changing today all the day. It's like kind of interactive.
Guys, okay, it sounds silly, but please let us know. Is the screen changing for you as well? Just let us know on the chat. Please continue.
Yeah. So here you can see that with a classic banner we get like not so much conversions and CR was kind of low. And with direct click we got much more conversions with 96 times bigger CR. So just imagine 96 times bigger. So when we're talking about CPM on direct click like 2 or 3 times bigger than from the ordinary one, 96 times bigger CR sounds much more interesting. So you would earn guys much more.
Is it always like that?
No, actually no. It depends on your offer, it depends on your country, it depends on everything, because sometimes tell the truth, sometimes the offer can be not good, yes. Not suitable for push, pop or interstitial traffic. We are talking all in all, like, yeah. So then this why you should test it.
There you
go. This why we are recommending you the rates, like, you know, not to overspend, to find like your optimal usage of the traffic, where you can profit, yeah.
Trond, you are asking if there will be anything you can win today. Yes, you're winning knowledge, obviously, and you're winning beautiful new features to use, but stay tuned, who knows?
Because we're gonna have a surprise.
Why do you need direct click? Why do you want direct click, I would say?
Let us know.
Yes. Reach only active and relevant users fast and easy. You have an offer, you know it's gonna kill it. You wanna go live right away on the best performing sources. Now you have the tool.
Knowledge is good.
Knowledge is good.
That's
then
true.
Don't stay tuned, Tron. Nothing more for you.
Get up to 120 times higher conversion rate. We already talked about this, yeah. Usually it's like 4, 5, 6 times bigger, yeah. But okay,
but it happens.
Still, with utilities that are like this easy to convert, like just install, it can go like that.
And again, guys, it happened. It happened to have 120 times higher conversion rate. And if we want to be correct on what we're saying, we have to say up to 120 times. But even 3 times higher conversion rate, your profitability goes sky high. So yeah, give it a try. Run fast and conclusive tests for new offers, and at the same time get exclusive traffic for the offers that you already know. So let's say you're running an offer on Pop Unders and it's thriving already. Why not add more conversions and more profits from a direct click campaign as an additional one? Yeah. Right?
And get exclusive traffic ready to convert. We had some questions here as far as we saw. So, what verticals converts good with a direct click? You know, actually, all of them. I couldn't say that like there is one vertical that only works with direct click, because basically direct click is like top converting traffic.
Yes.
So in this case, yeah, I would recommend you just to give it a try and to test.
What we see more is that people test mostly, again, utilities or offers with easier flow. Then this is because they have cheaper conversion CPA rates and stuff. So it's easier to not feel the fear and go all in.
Yeah.
And there we see very beautiful results. So if you want to start testing with utilities, for example, that's not a bad idea. But all the verticals, yes, it's true. We've seen an increase to the conversion rates on all the different verticals. Should I use a landing page for direct click? It is the same as with the OnClick campaigns. You add the URL and the landing page or the pre-lander is whatever you're giving us through the URL.
So, let's talk
okay.
about best practices.
Best practices, how to launch. Beats are extremely important. It's what I said before, it's what I will say now, and it's what is the alpha and the omega of competing on our traffic, guys.
Yeah.
It's a very competitive traffic, but it's worth it. So, we are suggesting you again through the algorithm what rates you should be using. Give us 1% of your trust and try these rates. It's not coming from Mars, it's coming from the algorithm, and boom. Is it better? Sorry, it's another question. Is it better to use CPM than CPA goal for direct click? You wanna go or I go?
I'm not sure about the CPM is better to test than the CPA goal.
CPA goal should be very convenient
it
for this
should work
app model.
really nice.
Yes.
You can go. We just showed you the CPM to show you how high it can go.
Yes.
It was just an example, but CPA goal is a really nice option to start with because the system will help you to automatically optimize the traffic and to exclude extremely expensive zones for you. So yes, with CPM, you can run like an additional campaign just to get more volumes, for example, with blacklist or with a whitelist,
Yes.
but really nice whitelist, at least like 30 zones, 40 of them. So yeah, both of them are good, but I usually recommend maybe to use CPM as an additional push to get more traffic.
Nacho will be on YouTube.
So yeah, let's move on, and again, user activity targeting is a nice option to use here to narrow down it. Again, low, high, medium user activity. Use it here as well, please.
Run direct click to scale your best performing campaigns. Again, you have it, it's working well, scale.
Yeah.
Easy, it's explanatory.
It's explanatory. According to our clients' case studies, you can expect results in 20-40% higher, but again, guys, even 1%, it's like, if I would earn for 1% more, I would be happy.
Would you?
At least it's not less.
They're listening though, eh? They're listening.
I know.
Guys, we want more than 1% more.